Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win a super over in Zupee. A super over is a thrilling, high-stakes tiebreaker in cricket, demanding precision and quick thinking. It's a one-over showdown where each team gets 6 balls to score as many runs as possible. We'll cover essential strategies for both batting and bowling, helping you maximize your chances of victory. Staying calm and executing your plan under pressure are key to success in this exciting format. When batting in a super over, your primary goal is to score as many runs as possible in just 6 deliveries. Focus on hitting boundaries early to put pressure on the opposition. Don't shy away from quick singles and doubles to rotate the strike and keep the scoreboard ticking. Observe the bowler's line and length and try to anticipate their deliveries. Remember, every run counts, so run hard between the wickets and avoid any run-out opportunities. As a bowler in a super over, your objective is to concede the fewest runs possible. Varying your pace and length is crucial to keep the batter guessing. Consider bowling accurate yorkers or wide deliveries outside the off stump to make it difficult for them to score. Strategic field placement, especially to cut off boundaries, is also vital. Stick to your plan for each of the 6 balls, focusing on execution and minimizing errors under pressure. Beyond strategy, your mindset and execution are paramount in a super over. It's easy to get overwhelmed, but staying calm and composed will allow you to make better decisions. Focus intensely on each individual ball, letting go of what happened on the previous delivery. Trust in your practice and the strategies you've developed. Clear communication with your teammates, if playing in a team format, can also make a significant difference in these high-pressure moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.